Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to everybody who is celebrating. Thank you for joining me on this magical day. I hope everyone is safe and well and warm and cozy and has hot chocolate. If you don't have one, pause and go get one. Alright guys, let's get into it. We're going to do a full face today, and you know what? This Dior look, this brand new Dior palette, it is stunning and amazing, and you guys want to see how I got this amazing look? Keep watching. Don't forget about my huge giveaway. Yes, 4 amazing subscribers. Why? Because I love you guys so much. 4 amazing subscribers are going to go home with these amazing Artiste brush sets. So if you guys want to be entered, all you need to do is send me all 12 words of the day to my Instagram account. I will be drawing the winners and notifying them on December 31st. Okay guys, if you want to see how I got this amazing holiday look using this brand new Dior holiday palette, keep watching. Okay guys, let's get into it! So I'm gonna unbox this Dior Sparkling Couture palette. This is their holiday palette, and I'm so excited for this. I haven't actually tried Dior eyeshadows before, so I'm really excited for this. Alright, so we don't need this. Oh, more packaging. Don't need this. Oh my gosh, guys, check that out. That is so stunning. Can you guys see that? That's so beautiful. Alright, ready for this? I'm gonna open it up. This is the colors right here. That is so pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm thinking bright red lips, so I'm gonna go in with something softer. These colors are definitely soft. This is stunning. It does come with this cute little brush, which frankly I'm never going to use, but it does come with the little Dior brush for traveling purposes. It's there. Okay, to start off today's look, I'm actually going to go in with this number 8 brush from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so I've gone in and I have applied primer to my lids. I've applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. Obviously I've gone in, I've done my brows, I've got my contour, my bronzer on. Let's go in and rock this eyeshadow. And I believe I'm going to start off with this light pink here. And I'm going to take this color. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Right there. I'm going to take that, tap that off, and I'm going to go into my transition. Well, it applies really smooth. It's really nice. I'm now going to go in with a number 6 from BH Cosmetics, which is this brush right here. And I'm actually going to go in with this burgundy tone right here, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. That's really stunning. Beautiful. I'm going to go in with a number 5 from BH Cosmetics, and this is just a large shader brush. I'm just going to go in and blend out that crease shade. That's stunning. So stunning. Like, these shadows blend out like a dream, but I don't expect anything less from Dior. So pretty. I'm going to go in with a JH41 by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, which is this brush right here, and this is just a flat, densely packed packer brush. And I'm going to go in with this gold color right here in the palette and pick that up. I'm just going to take this color and I'm going to actually apply it to the inner portion of my lid. That's pretty. This palette is very soft. It's not heavily pigmented. These colors are just really, really soft, so you could definitely wear this with a bold lip, which is really nice. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that gold and go in with a second coat. So cute. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics number 5 blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in with this really dark, rich brown right here in the center of the palette, and I'm just going to take that brush, dab a little bit there. I don't want too much of this dark color. I'm just going to smoke out my eye on my lower lash line, just in the V here, into my lower lash line, just to give it just a little bit of dimension, but we are going to go in with that bold lip, so the lip is going to be the statement in today's look, but this is coming together beautifully, and I love it. So again, I'm just going to take that dark brown, and I'm just placing it here along my lower lash line. Taking it into the V just a little bit. And taking it over into that C shape. And now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Very pretty, love that. I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics number 5 blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in, I'm going to do the exact same steps, repeat on the other side, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm going to go in and use that really, really, really pretty color right here. This light gold, it's like off-white color, which is I think going to be an amazing highlight. I'm going to use that on my inner corner, but I'm going to go in with that after I do my liner and mascara, which I'm going to go in and do right now. Okay, for the mascara today, we're going to go in with this Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. This one right here. This is so, so pretty. Okay, so I just have mascara on the one side, and that mascara is giving me curl, it's giving me lift, it's giving me luxurious, it's giving me lashes. Definitely, you know, gold stars for that mascara. Girl, you gotta try that. Love it. For eyeliner today, we're going to go in with this brand new Dior eyeliner, and this one is called the 24-Hour Dior Show Stiletto. I'm going to unbox this right now. Oh, that's pretty. The packaging is really pretty. This is the matte black. This is the packaging right here. So we've got the smudger on this end, and this end, it's just kind of like a point. I'm going to start with my upper lashes. That is smooth. That goes on like butter. Like, that's phenomenal. Like, wow. Wow. I'm shook. Like, that's crazy good. Alright, so thumbs up so far for the eyeliner. Like, that's amazing. I'm just gonna go in, do the upper lashes on my other side, and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna take the little smudger and smudge out that eyeliner on my upper lash line. I'm actually just going to go in and line my waterline with this amazing Dior liner. Okay, so the eyeliner from Dior is phenomenal. I'm giving this gold stars. Love it, love it, love it. Really, really, really pretty. Alright guys, I'm going to go in to line my lips with this Permagel lip liner from Pat McGrath Labs. This is called Living Legend. I always bring my liner up just a little bit because we're just going to smudge that out into our lip, and it just kind of helps keep that lipstick on and give it that undertone. I'm now going to go in with my Pat McGrath lipstick in Flush 5, which is this beautiful red tone right here. Let's polish off this look with some blush, and I'm going to go in with my Scott Barnes blush palette. I love this palette. For this look, I'm thinking I want just a little bit of Minimalist, which is this one right here, and I'm going to pick up Sweet Cheeks right here. It's these two. And just put a little bit on my cheeks, just like that. I'm now going to go in with my Artiste blending brush because I love it. I'm just going to blend that out. Soften the edges, blend out our blush. Love it. And for highlight, because I absolutely love it, I'm going to go in with Showy and Glowy from Scott Barnes, which is his highlighting palette. And guys, you've seen me use this in almost every one of my videos. Why? Because I love it. I love it so much. Alright guys, this is the palette right here. I'm going to go in with my MAC brush. This one is, I think, a 133. I use this brush all the time. I don't even know what the numbers are. And I'm going to pick up, I'm actually going to go in with Twilight Sand, which is this one right here. It's got a little bit of a gold tone to it. And we're just going to tap that on our cheeks, giving us that amazing holiday glow. Beautiful. A little bit on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the bridge. I'm actually going to go in, place a little bit on top of my Cupid's bow, and I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics number 11, which is this really fine pencil brush. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this Twilight Sand highlighter right here, and I'm just going to place it on the top of my Cupid's bow. She's cute, and she's glowing. I'm going to go in with the highlighter that's left on my brush. I'm not going to dip back into the palette, and I'm just going to place just a little bit above my brows, just like that, just to give that face just a little bit more of an luminous effect. And I'm going to dip back in to Twilight Sand, and I'm just going to go under my brows just a little bit, just to give that illuminated effect. Love it, she's glowing. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with that same BH Cosmetics tiny brush. This is a number 11, this is tiny pencil brush. And I'm gonna go into my Dior palette. Loving this, so pretty. I'm going to pick up this white color. It's a very shimmery white color. Right here, I'm getting that on the brush, and I'm just going to go in and apply this in the corner of my lid, bring that down to my lower lash line, just for a pop of shimmer in the inner corner. Gives us just a little holiday highlight. Okay guys, this is the finished look. What do you think of this amazing happy holiday look? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't I look adorable? Yes! Okay guys, be safe tonight. Have a happy holiday and a happy Christmas to anyone who's celebrating. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys, till next time. I'm gonna go open gifts.